completing the free digital marketing course 3 hours digital marketing video number 10-1 meet a business suite how to monetize a Facebook page. Let's go. This course is in a playlist. It's for free and it's about 3 hours. The video not exceed than 10 or 12 minutes, but this video just 3 minutes. So here on the meta, after selecting meta, you can go in the previous video and know how about meta business suite. We get it. Press on monetization here. Okay. And here no monetization violations, view page eligibility, policy issues here, criteria not yet, because maybe few members or followers on this page, so we can change this and select another famous page from here. I think select soft elevator, and this page, click on it. This is a famous page. I think it can be monetized as here. So here view eligibility. Okay, set up. We have a star completed here. Agree and okay. Verify your credits details. Okay, next. Become where you left out payout account some else. Okay, next. Okay. Done. Submit for review, and then they will tell you when this is good working and available for gain money from stars. If you have any question, ask me and reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video.